We are at Ngengech. This is in West Pokot, at a school in West Pokot where we've partnered with Britam and provided a solution whereby we've installed a borehole pump that is able to get water from a depth of about 100 meters to the surface and get to serve the community and the school.
Today we've come to commission a water pump that's enabled, solar-enabled pump, so that this community, and especially this school where we're in, Ngengech Primary, that will be able to give kids an opportunity to drink clean water, that will be able to give kids an opportunity to stay in school. Because what we've heard from the parents is that kids have to walk, go look for clean water, or even sometimes it's not so clean, they just look for water.
Nilifurahia vile hiyo maji ilikuja, furahia sana. Ilikuwa na changamoto kubwa sana. Tulikuwa naendanga mtoni, maji chafu tunakunywa, wengine wanagonjeka, naenda hospitali kwa Chelibani.
Tunashukuru sana kwa hiyo maji. Kwa hiyo mlileta maji. Nashukuru kabisa, Mungu awabariki.